demonstrating a steadfast commitment to their empowerment and well-being. Timely dissemination of agriculture research findings is crucial to ensure farmers receive actionable insight when they need them most. Research output should provide clear guidance on crop pattern harvesting schedules. इसके बारे में नया स्टार्टअप भी अपन ला सकते हैं. अभी कुछ ऑलरेडी नेट में है, आप उसको कंज्यूम करने के लिए बोले हैं. एग्रीकल्चर क्या प्रॉब्लम है, वो प्रॉब्लम अभी तो टेलीमेडिसिन आ गया. टेलीफोन पे बात करें तो मेडिसिन दे रहे आदमी को. कोई अमेरिका में रहे हैं, उन्होंने इधर एक्सरे फिल्म्स बेचता है, इधर डॉक्टर दे के उसको मेडिसिन बेचता है. वैसे ही अपने क्रॉप में भी जहाँ कभी प्रॉब्लम आया वो फोटोज भेज सकते हैं या व्हाट्सएप में लाइव टेलीफोन पे बता सकते हैं और उसको आप इलाज भी दे सकते हैं. ये काम 20 साल पहले हैदराबाद में एक एनजीओ ने स्टार्ट किया है. I took them to my village also. But here we are lacking such type of things. I request you to follow these techniques. You will save time. You can give service to most of the people. Soil harvesting schedules, soil specific fertilizer recommendations, integrated nutrient management strategies, pest and disease management techniques, and irrigation scheduling and water management practices. By providing such comprehensive and actionable information, effective communication of research results will empower farmers to make informed decisions, maximizing yields while minimizing environmental impact, ultimately leading to improved agricultural productivity and sustainability. The excessive use of disinfectants around India has had devastating impact on cultivators, leading to substantial losses. This highlights the importance of adopting a balanced and knowledgeable approach to using these chemicals, ensuring their benefits are not outweighed by unintended consequences. The cultivation of oil seeds and pulses should be done with technology to grow with less water consumption. We need to have a broader plan about soil cultivable land in Northeast and has to give proper training to farmers. Spices and turmeric crops should be encouraged. When I am using farmers here, most of the people you have come from agriculture background. Whatever you learn, first you try to experiment in your own field. Try to educate your family members, whether they are father or brothers. Then they will have confidence, and for experimental purpose, KVKs are up there. Most of the agricultural people and most of the officers and at the same time most of the public representatives, they don't know what is KVKs. KVK is nothing but KVKs. It is from lab to land. अपन जो रिसर्च करते हैं वो फार्मर को जाने से पहले एक्सपेरिमेंट करने का एरिया है KVK, कृषि विज्ञान केंद्र. वो एक्सपेरिमेंट करने के बाद again they will select the farmers in rural area, progressive farmers. They will grow for experimental farm, and they will call the neighboring farmers to show this is he is your farmer, your neighbor, he has put in this particular crop and he is getting this much. You can see now like that. Because they don't believe us, but when they see, they can believe and experiment it. Northeast should be at the forefront of adopting advanced technology in cultivation, revolutionizing farming practices with innovative tools such as electric tractors, drones, and digital data platforms. These cutting-edge solutions enable farmers to access critical information, precision manage their fields, and optimize yields, making a significant leap towards sustainable and high-tech agriculture in the state. Meghalaya and Tripura, turmeric is renowned for producing the best turmeric in the world. A highly priced commercial species in India. We have to market it properly. Our vision is to make Northeast a hub for agri-tech innovation, creating opportunities for farmers, entrepreneurs, and startups. We are working to establish a vibrant ecosystem supported by initiatives like National Agriculture Market, ENAM, and Agricultural Accelerator Fund. India's agricultural sector supports over 50% of our population, contributing significantly to our GDP. However, traditional farming methods face numerous challenges. Climate change, water scarcity, nutrient depletion, limited market access, and insufficient supply chain and food waste. Agritech officers offers solutions to these challenges, empowering farmers and transforming the agricultural landscape. You are also going to discuss today and tomorrow number of issues like this, and I am confident that you will get a good experience, at the same time good papers, so that the same thing it can be produced and it can be sent to policy makers, NITI Aayog, NABARD, and also ICAR, so that where they can take a proper decisions. Precision farming, drones, satellites imaging, and sensor-enabled data-driven decisions making. Analyzing soil composition, informed fertilizer applications, mobile apps, just now your Vice Chancellor told, artificial intelligence, machine learning, predictive analysis for crop yields, disease direct detection, and pest management. Interest of things, automated irrigation, temperature control, and livestock monitoring. Blockchain technology, like that number of issues are there, and you are discussing most of the issues. In Northeast, innovative technologies help growers to grow crops in an efficient way with high productivity, extension functionaries, growers, etc. Should be aware of advances in innovative technologies in areas of agriculture, horticulture, fisheries, and animal husbandry. In era of climate change technologies, Northeast is the piggery friendly families and piggery friendly farmers. But no sufficient supply of piglets are there. No artificial insemination for pigs, which is very important in northeast area, because the animal husbandry in the families where there are animals, whether it is cow, goat or pigs, if the suicides are less in those families, because they will get a acquaintance with the animals. So they feel, if I am not there, who will feed my cow? Like that. In families I have seen, when somebody dies in the family, they will weeping. In between they will stop and they will ask the worker or son, have you given food to animal cow? Have you given water to them? So this is the type of thinking. So we have to encourage this animal growth in every family, and particularly in Northeast, this piggery, duckery, it is very good. In this conference, you are discussing many issues like agro-metrology, regenerative of agriculture, nutrient mana, agronomy, environmental science, micro and micronutrient, soil facility, plant genetic resources, seed technology, cell molecular, crop breeding, genetics and